Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Buick Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.